Fermented foods have been around for centuries, but their true power is only now being fully understood. We often think of them as just tangy and tasty treats, but they are so much more. Fermented foods hold the secret to better gut health, a concept that is gaining traction in the world of nutrition and wellness. Let's start with the basics. Fermentation is a metabolic process that converts sugars into acids, gases, or alcohol. It involves beneficial bacteria, yeasts, and molds that transform food in remarkable ways. The magic lies in these microorganisms. They break down carbohydrates and proteins into more digestible forms. This process not only preserves food but also enhances its nutritional value. Yogurt is one of the most well-known fermented foods. It is made by fermenting milk with specific bacteria. These bacteria consume lactose, the sugar in milk, and produce lactic acid. The result is a creamy texture and a tangy taste. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are live microorganisms that support the balance of gut flora. These microbes can improve digestion and boost the immune system. But yogurt is just the tip of the iceberg. There is a whole world of fermented foods waiting to be explored. Take kimchi, for example. This spicy Korean side dish is made from fermented vegetables like cabbage and radishes. The fermentation process gives kimchi its distinctive flavor. It also enhances its vitamin content and increases the availability of healthy bacteria. Kombucha is another star in the fermented food constellation. This fizzy drink is made by fermenting sweetened tea with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, known as SCOBY. Kombucha is not only refreshing but also rich in probiotics and antioxidants. Regular consumption has been associated with improved digestion and liver function. Sauerkraut, a staple in many Eastern European cuisines, is made from fermented cabbage. It is simple yet powerful. The fermentation process increases its vitamin C content while producing beneficial probiotics. Sauerkraut can aid digestion and has even been linked to reducing inflammation. Fermented foods are like a natural multivitamin. Besides probiotics, they are loaded with vitamins, enzymes, and bioactive compounds. These nutrients work together to support gut health in various ways. They help break down food more efficiently and produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish the gut lining. This promotes a healthy gut barrier, which is essential for keeping harmful pathogens at bay. Prebiotics are another key player in gut health. They are the dietary fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Fermented foods often contain prebiotics, creating a symbiotic relationship that enhances their probiotic effects. Foods like miso, tempeh, and kefir provide both probiotics and prebiotics. This combination can lead to a more diverse and resilient gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem of trillions of microorganisms living in our intestines. It plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mental health. A balanced microbiome is essential for overall well-being. Fermented foods contribute to this balance by introducing beneficial bacteria and supporting the growth of existing good microbes. Research has shown that a healthy gut microbiome can influence mood and behavior. This is due to the gut-brain axis, a communication network linking the gut and brain. By maintaining a healthy gut through fermented foods, you may experience improved mental clarity and a more stable mood. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet is easier than you might think. Start small, adding a serving of yogurt or a glass of kombucha to your daily routine. Experiment with different flavors and textures. Try making your own sauerkraut or kimchi at home. The process is simple and rewarding. All you need is patience and the willingness to experiment. Remember that moderation is key. Fermented foods are powerful, but too much can cause digestive discomfort. Listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. Over time, you'll find the balance that works best for you. The power of fermented foods goes beyond their taste. They offer a natural way to support gut health and overall wellness. By understanding the science behind fermentation and incorporating these foods into your diet, you can unlock their full potential. The benefits are plentiful and the journey is delicious. So next time you reach for that jar of kimchi or bottle of kombucha, know that you're doing more than satisfying a craving. You're nurturing a healthier, happier gut. And that is a secret worth sharing.